Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 5. At what rate will the interest on 400 Naira increase to 24 Naira in 3 years, reckoning in simple interest? A. 4%, B. 2%, C. 3%, and D. 5%. Now this question is simply coined from what? Simple interest. Simple interest. Now the principal amount here is what? 400, because we are asked for the interest of 400. So, and we know that simple interest I is giving us PRT all over 100. Now from this question we can stipulate that the interest I is 24 Naira, because they say at what rate will the interest of 400 Naira increase to 24 Naira. So interest, simple interest, is 24 Naira. The principal amount P is equals to 400 Naira. Then the rates R is what you're looking for, which you don't know, and the time taken is what? 3 years. Now from this we can find what's our R. Simple interest 24 Naira is equals to the principal amount 400 multiplied by the rates R multiplied by the time, which is 3 years, all over 100. From this we can say 2400 is equals to 400 multiplied by 3 multiplied by R, and that is 2400 is equals to 1200 R. Now divide both sides by 1200. So we have 1200 over 1200. So we have that R is equals to 2400 all over 1200, and R is equals to 2%. So the rate at which this 400, the interest of 400 will increase to 24 Naira in 3 years is 2%, which is option B. That is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.